Hello everyone, this is Jack Reddy's presentation on the formation of meanders, which is part of the bigger system of landforms of fluvial erosion and deposition. To start, a river starts to meander when an alteration in a straight river has occurred. Examples of this would be either animals burrowing into the inside bank of the river or by an object of sufficient size being deposited or dropped in the centre of the river, altering the fallweg. The fallweg is the fastest part of the river with the most energy. The second stage in the process of a river meandering is that once the fallweg has been changed, the area that the obstruction has been made will redirect the flow of the fast-moving water. One case would be a rock that has changed the fallweg to become more curved, making the flow of the water rebound off the walls of the river, which as a result causes erosion of the surface. The other case in which meandering can occur is when animals burrow into the bank of the river. The water then proceeds to fill in the gap, resulting in the constant erosion of the inside of the river bank. As the erosion continues over a large period of time, the banks of the river start to retreat closer to the floodplain that was there from the original river's shape. The areas that have erosion are the places in which the fallweg has been working at its most effective. These places will have the most erosion due to the flow of water, hydraulic action, whereas the opposite side has deposition due to the fallweg carrying the material that is just eroded and depositing it when it hit the bank of the river. As you can see here, this is where deposition has been occurring. After a long period of time, the places of the river that have been eroded start to come closer to each other. This gives the meandering characteristic that is common with all rivers. The final stage of the river is when these corners of erosion meet. This then forms an oxbow lake that is then independent from the original river, whilst the river it has split off from starts to rejoin to become a straight river again, at least in that portion. Fin.